Good morning. Well, let me get everything set up. What up? What up? Let's see. Live on YouTube. Bingo. What's going on, everybody? How we doing? Good morning. Let's see. Hold on. Man, I swear this dude on Twitter is so obsessed with me. All he does is try to reply to my tweets and try to hate, and I have not responded to him once. This is like the 6th or 7th time. This dude clearly does not have anything better going for him in life. Anyways, hopefully everybody had a good weekend. I don't have any complaints. And let me get live on TikTok and we ready to go. Larry, Chuck, Elizabeth, Justin, all with the orange bull. I greatly appreciate you guys for being channel members. Y'all are the goats. Let's see. Hold on. Live. Making a pre-market watch list. Give me 1 second, everybody. Cool. What's going on? I know, really. Like, you gotta do something instead of hating. Always remember, people that are successful and actually doing something with their life, they don't have time to go out there and hate on people. That's just facts. Anyways, let's make this watch list. I think we do have some economic news today. Let's see. Economic calendar. Just 11 o'clock. We have some inflation expectations, so nothing huge. Cool. Hey, I'm glad that you got the book. Nice, nice. All right, so we got 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 30-minute. Bingo. All right, let's see what we like today. What do we like? What do we not like? Find some levels. Hopefully catch some bangers today and make some money. That is the goal. So start with Apple. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 140 of you up in here. And let's see, 48 likes. So yeah, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Apple, don't really care about today. Abby looking for the swing. Airbnb, we might actually be able to trade this today depending on the liquidity. Let's see if Airbnb breaks above 124.69, where can we take it? Is there liquidity? In the 125s, there is some liquidity. It's only a $15 spread, nothing huge. So maybe Airbnb today. We'll see. Maybe we can catch a bounce. And then let's see. Hey, thank you for purchasing the book. I greatly appreciate it. I hope it helps you out. If you ever have any questions about the book, feel free to reach out whenever. I also have a book Discord. So if you guys did purchase the book, just send me a screenshot of your receipt on Instagram or on Twitter or even Discord, and I'll get you guys in the book Discord. Let's see, AMD, Amazon, always. Amazon's looking pretty strong over 134.6, broke out that 4 hour falling wedge, made the 50% retracement. I do think we can see some more room on Amazon, so I do like that. If it can break. How we doing over here on the TikTok? We got 172 people. Hopefully everybody's doing good. In case you guys didn't know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day, as well as doing it on YouTube completely free. So for everybody on TikTok, if you actually want to see my screen, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trade, so you can see it there. Clorox, looking for the swing there. Not interested yet. Disney. How we looking here? Not really interested in Disney today. I mean, if anything, I'd be interested in a bounce. But I don't know if we're going to get that. So skip over Disney today. Ford looking for the swing there. Again, it has that weekly bull flag, daily falling wedge is trying to break out, so I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on that. Definitely want to swing the $15 calls in the monies. Nvidia's got a nice daily gap to fill, so we're going to be watching that today. Again, we can try to snag a little bounce here. Nvidia. And then let's see. QQQ. And remember, as long as the US dollar continues to fall, the market should move to the upside. So the Dixie is going to be very important to pay attention to. Let's see. QQQ, I like it above pre-market highs. Obviously, QQQ and SPY as always. And then our baby Tesla. Are we above 300? Yes, we are. Bingo. So Tesla 297.47 bounce or break above 302.17. Let's watch that Tesla. And then let's pull up the squeeze list. What we got? Anything squeezing? No squeezes today. Okay, so we looked at Apple, we looked at AMD, Amazon. Let's take a look at Boeing. Not interested in Boeing. Don't care about BABA. Maybe Coin. Yeah, how's Bitcoin doing? Let's look at that first. And then we can look at Coin. Let's see, BTC. It's getting close to that daily 55 EMA. Maybe Coin. Doesn't look terrible. I mean, I like it. It's got this little 1 hour flag. So we either break above the flag or we bounce at that 1 hour 21 EMA. Is there liquidity? Kinda. In the 85 calls. So we would have to trade that. $ DXY. Here. $ Dixie. So you can see it's pulling back pretty hard, which is good. That's what we want. Remember, when this goes up, it's bad for equities. And what did we see during, this huge rally in the dollar right to the 127 extension, which was my price target? The market pulled pretty hard. Now that the Dixie is pulling back pretty hard, the market is rallying. So two areas we want to watch is going to be the 50% retracement at 107.71 and then 106.98 at the 61.8. So let's see. Yeah, you definitely want to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on TLT. The thing is with TLT, it did a daily doji at the bottom of a downtrend, which is typically a reversal pattern. So as you can see, we're getting a nice little gap up on that. Let's see. We got 204 people here up in the live stream. So again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. As always, 150 likes is when you guys get the watch list. So the ball is in your court. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do that. Again, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. It would mean the absolute world to me. Let's see. Still going through your book, but do you go into how to make that TTM squeeze indicator you just pulled up? What do you just put it on your chart? What do you mean? You just type in TTM squeeze. Anyways, Meta. Break above 170.5 or a possible bounce 167.65, which actually was prior resistance over here. So I do really like that bounce right there. Let's watch Meta. Uh-oh. Johnny boy is in here. How's my man John doing this morning? Good morning, brother. Everybody in the YouTube live stream, say hi to Johnny. He is back yet again talking about the Federal Reserve. Let's see, Microsoft don't really care about. Let's see, Netflix, we already looked at Nvidia. I think oil is going up today. Yeah, Oxy had a nice little pump. Don't really care about it. I mean, PayPal, I personally think they might as well just pump PayPal to 100. That would make the most sense. Everybody saying hi, Johnny. Good, good. Anyways, maybe a butterfly on PayPal. I'll keep an eye on that one. Shopify has a 30-minute squeeze. Be interested if Shopify cracked 34.9 or bounced 33.9. Shop. And then SPY. How's SPY looking today? Again, could bounce 1 hour 21 EMA, fail bounce. Obviously, market's gonna pull. Oh, David. I ain't saying that. Good morning. Who is that? Thomas. Good morning, my man. Cool. So what I like today is Airbnb, AMD, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, and Shopify. So let's narrow this list. What do we like? What do we not like? Let's get it down to 3 to 4, and then we go from there. You can do both ways. It depends if you're looking for a bearish move or a bullish move. So if you're looking for a bullish move, you're going to take the bottom to the top and you're looking for the pullback. If you're looking for a bearish move, you're going to take the top to the bottom. Anyways, Airbnb, leave a question mark there for now. AMD, I think AMD's setting up for a nice little bounce. So AMD is going to move with Nvidia, so it's really up which setup looks the best. Amazon's looking super bullish. Right now we're just going through and seeing what looks the best. Nvidia. I mean, I'd be very interested if Nvidia got that 145.26 because we had that daily gap to 149.54. So I'd like to see that come back up. I would say the bounce is probably lower probability on Nvidia. Tesla, I mean, I do really like that bounce. Also, the break above 302.17. It's getting a little overextended on the daily. I would say that's the one thing I don't like as much on Tesla. Meta, I do really like this bounce because as we can see, 1, 2, 3 previous resistance, break resistance, becomes support, and it's also that 1 hour 21 EMA. So we're gonna watch Meta. Hold on. Parsons pivots, where you at? There you are. $173.76. 73.76. Are we near any SMAs? Let's see. Nope. 100 SMA is at 177.35. Also at that 167.65, we also have the 50-day SMA. And then we have the 55 EMA at 170.19. Which you can see we hit in the pre-market. All right, cool. So I really like this bounce. See if we can get it, or if it breaks above pre-market highs, I'll be interested. Cool. Meta. Very interested in a break above 170.5 for calls, but even more interested in a bounce at 167.65 for calls. Fail bounce for puts. Price targets on screen. Bingo. All right, there's Meta. Shopify is looking super bullish, especially with that 30-minute squeeze. So 34.9, I mean, we cracked there. We do have the 50 SMA at 35, but we could clear that. And then we have 35.92 is the 55 EMA. 100-day SMA 36.66. Parsons pivot, say we have room. 35.87. 36.58. Okay, so I would say the one thing I don't like with Shop is that 50-day SMA is there. But we could get that bounce. So I will be watching that. Nice 30-minute squeezer. Cool. All right, let's go back through the list. AMD. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 216 people up in here. 121 likes. Running up to 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list in the chat. If you guys really love me, you can run it up to 175 likes. I think I'm going to watch a video over AMD. Yeah, I mean, if NVIDIA can get over that 145.26 level, we got a straight shot. $146.77, $147.92, $149.35, $150. And then possible bounce, 143.3. Cool. NVIDIA, very interested above. I just wake up super early. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. 145.26 for calls. Price target equal 146.77. $147.92. $149.59. $150. Possible bounce at 143.3. All right, there's NVIDIA. And then Tesla. I'll tell you what, if we can get a Tesla bounce at 297.50, I would be very interested in that. Question is, does it pull that hard? Maybe. We got Meta. So we take that off. Just put up NVIDIA. I like NVIDIA more than AMD. Don't really care about Airbnb. And then let's see, Amazon. What a person's pivots say about Amazon. 135.40. 40-ish. Hold on. Oh, 135.50. So that's a nice move. I mean, 90 cents. Let's see. What do we choose? Amazon, Tesla, or Shopify. Man, we got 270 people here in the YouTube live stream. So again, in case you guys did not know, every single morning I go live at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not joining, I don't know what to tell you. If you're not subscribed, I got 700 plus videos teaching you how to trade. And in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. So make sure you guys do pick yourself up a copy. The New Age of Technical Analysis. For everybody in the TikTok that did not know, as you can see, the New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages. If you guys do want to pick up a copy, the link is in my bio. But yeah, everybody in the YouTube live stream, there you go. Let's see. Getting out of the trade is where you have some confusion. What do you mean? Explain. Explain for me, and then maybe I can help more. We're going to see with CPI. Best thing you can do is look at the commodities. That will tell you. I think Shopify is going to find its way onto the list. It's just going to be a little higher risk because of that 35 level. Man, if we can get a Tesla bounce at 297.5. Yes, I do. Hold on. And then if you guys are looking for, to join Team Bull like Nancy asked, or follow me Twitter, Instagram, any of my affiliate links, you can find all of those right here on my Beacons page. Boom. Yeah, let's see. Tesla, any SMAs we did close above the 200-day SMA, which is good. One, we gotta be a little careful with that. And then after that, 305.53. I use multiple time frames. It's not like I only execute off of one time frame. There we go. That's what I like to hear. I always trade same week expiration when I'm day trading. Same week. Let's see. Tesla. Looking for a possible bounce at 297.5 for calls, or a break above 302.17 for calls. Price target equal 302.91, 305.53 over there. Has some nice room to. I ain't got nothing till 314 if it breaks above there. 314. Where is it? 314.67. Cool. Man, what's up with this dude GD joining the live streams every morning just hating? What a bum, bro. What a bum. What do you do with your life, bro? You scroll on TikTok and hate on people? Come on now. This dude, GD Investments. You guys know him? What a bum. We don't deal with no hater. I'll kick you out the Discord. I have a video on my YouTube channel teaching you how to do this. In case you guys are wondering, I'm joking. I know GD. I don't want people in the chat to be like, bro, why are you being so rude? GD is my long lost brother, in case you guys didn't know that. Anyways, Tesla, really love that. And then, let's see. It's between Shopify and Amazon. I mean, they both look really good. What you guys thinking? Shopify or Amazon? I'm leaning more towards Shopify. I like them both, but the only issue is with Shopify, we gotta be careful about 35. I think it might be a little lower risk if we do wait for that break of 35, but that 50-day SMA is also gonna come down. You know what? No. Let's wait for the break of 35. That's gonna be a huge level. Yeah, GD's the one that taught me how to trade. You guys know that? GD taught me how to trade along with my other brother, the Daily Trader. Learned everything about MACD and RSI. Really good mentors. Again, joking. 35.87. 36.58. Yeah, you want to know what's funny? As soon as Amazon put my book on sale, even though I didn't tell them to, the stock dropped significantly. They deserve it. Boom. All right. Shopify it is. I like that 30-minute squeeze. Shop. Beautiful 30-minute squeeze. Looking for the break above 35 for calls. Price targets equal 35.87. 36.58. And once we start cracking above there, we got room. We got a few hits right here. $36.3. 36.3. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. If you're not subscribed and you're not joining in the morning, I don't know what to tell you. Also looking for a possible bounce at 33.87. Now my back is bigger than GD. I'm bigger than GD in general. He's just short. He looks bigger. But it's because he's a little man. Anyways, that's Shopify. We got 150 likes. We do. I mean, if you guys want to keep running up the likes, I will take it. If you guys want to hit 175. So where's my big chart? There it is. Boom. So overall, I'm pretty bullish. As of now, that can obviously change very quickly in this market. But I'd ideally like to see us continue going up today. Again, watch the dollar. If the market pulls, then obviously I'm going to start looking for puts. If I don't get an A+ setup, then I'm simply not going to take a trade. It is that simple. We don't need to trade every single day. If you guys are in the Discord, you heard me multiple times last week say, yeah, I am content with not taking a trade at all. And sure enough, we got one good setup, took full advantage of it. That was all we needed. So let me get everything pulled up and I will drop the watch list. So if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to stay on here till like 8:55. But yeah, feel free to ask now or forever hold your peace. Tesla, Shopify. Best man at my wedding, my friend Patrick. Could have GD come, but that's his birthday. He doesn't want to come to my wedding. He said, nah, bro, it's my birthday. I was like, wow, your birthday is more important? He said, yeah, screw you and your wedding. I said, all right, you're a fake friend. Fake friend. Yeah, triple top is basically just, it's a solid resistance point. It's bearish. But typically, once you get a double top, more than likely the third time that we go up to that level, that's when we're going to break through. And if it doesn't break through, that is a sign of the stock is super, super weak, and you're more than likely going to see a pretty significant pullback. Everybody in Team Bulls coming to my wedding? All right. It's crazy, though, because I literally get married in less than a month. It's going to be weird wearing a ring. I don't know about all that. I don't know what the lazy bear squeeze is. Yeah, if there's a 30-minute squeeze and it's above the moving averages, the odds of it firing up are very high. Vice versa. Any time frame, really. If it's above the moving averages plus a squeeze on that time frame, the odds of it firing up very high. And then if it's below the moving averages, let me pull up my screen. Like ENPH. Above the moving averages, squeezing, what happened? Fired up. Nah, never. And what's even better is nobody can say that she's a gold digger because she was with me before I had any money. She was with me when I was broke. I had $2K in the bank account. So nobody can say that. Yeah, just for the wedding. I remember somebody called her a gold digger once. I was like, bro, you don't even know what you're talking about. She's also the reason I started trading full time. Fun fact, I was like, hey, I really want to start trading full time. Do you support it? She said, yep. I said, all right. If she would have said no, I probably wouldn't have. Let's see. Day one, baby. You know it. So there's the watch list. Again, if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. In case you guys didn't know, again, make sure to cop your copy of the New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon for everybody in the TikTok live stream. If you guys want to learn more about my overall trading strategy in this 450-page book, day trading, swing trading, all the indicators I use, going over real life examples of trades I've taken, make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. #1 new release. I think it just had it again last night, but I'm pretty sure it's gone. So, no, TLT is typically the leader. So SPY will follow like a few days, a week later. Somebody actually tweeted about it yesterday, and I'm surprised that somebody else talked about it. But they said the whole reasoning behind it. I just never like actually opened the tweet. I saw the like the notification where it popped up on my phone, but I forget who tweeted it. It was a really good explanation from what I saw. I use ThinkorSwim. But if you're outside the United States and you're looking for a broker, I have one in my beacons page right here. It's yeah, if you click that link, you can find it there. Anyways, any other questions you guys got, or are we all good? Uh-oh. Let me see something. Apparently there was news with the UMC. I've been watching that for a swing, and I don't think they really trade in the pre-market. But yeah, everybody good? People on TikTok, you guys good? Also, while we're talking about books, let me tell you, you guys need to pick up a copy of The Mental Game of Trading. Fantastic trading psychology book. I honestly think it's better than Trading in the Zone. So if you guys haven't gotten that one, make sure you guys do. Got 179 likes. I like it. I like it. I don't remember who tweeted. I'll have to find it. The YouTube membership is just to support the channel. If you want my live alerts, you got to join the Discord. I also post the pre-market watch list in the community for the people in the YouTube. I'll see if I can find it, because obviously I had tweet notifications on for them. But yeah, so I think everybody's good. Other than that, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this YouTube live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. As always, options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So again, trade safe, trade smart. If there's no setups, no A+ setups, don't take the trade. You can always trade tomorrow. You can always trade the next day. You can always trade the next day. The Mental Game of Trading. And again, if you want to join the Discord or anything, the link is right here. Boom, boom, boom. The Mental Game of Trading. And then my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Piece them together and you are good to go. All right. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day. I will be live tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you guys are following on TikTok. Make sure you guys are subscribed on YouTube.